guys, welcome back to the channel. So sunshine is out for a little while, which makes it a perfect day to do a review and have a look at the Allpowers 100-watt flexible solar panel CF100. As you can see in front of me, guys, it's fairly compact in size. It is only approximately 1 meter by 58 and only measures 3.5 centimeters thin. It only weighs 2.4 kilos and it is IP68 rated. That means, guys, it's suitable for outside use. The main benefit that appeals to me in this instant that this panel comes with a CM4 connector. So it means you can connect it to majority of your Allpower generators or other branded generators that use the same connection. This panel is 250-degree flexible, which I think is absolutely brilliant. And as you can see here, it does have 6 little loops to be able to fix your panel to whatever you might want to fix it to. Due to the weight, guys, I think the possibilities are endless. For example, we have a gazebo that has a slightly light plastic roof, and putting a big panel on it, it's definitely out of question. So having something like this makes a perfect sense. At the same time, guys, if you do have a van or camper van, if you do enjoy going camping, you can easily strap this to the roof of your van when you go. So at the moment, let's have a look. We do have a little bit of sun. It is not a perfectly bright day. We do have a little bit overcast above and a little bit of mist. However, as it stands at the moment, guys, we are taking 63 watts, and I think it's actually very good. This panel is 25% efficiency, so I wouldn't really expect it to get anywhere near that, to be fair, on slightly cloudy day. However, 65 watts out of the 100 watts panel on a slightly overcast day, I think is really good. Do bear in mind though, okay, this is not a perfect angle, okay? Perfect angle, as you know, is approximately 45 degrees. I can only roughly mimic this right now, but again, it is not perfect. So let's try this. We'll wait for the sun to come out a little bit more, and let's lay this panel flat and see what it will take. So guys, panel's lying down at the moment. As you can still see, it's not still the brilliant sunshine, but we are actually taking 55 watts. This is not really bad considering we lost the almost a perfect angle to basically lying down flat, but I think it's really good. So that point is, whether you guys hang this on a roof or on the side or whatever, is still able to harvest you quite a lot of power. We will wait, guys, we will wait until we get a really brilliant sunshine days, and we will put it out there at the correct angle and we'll see what it gets. But so far, looking at that, I can tell you that it is a really good panel to have. Another positive thing, guys, and that's what really kind of prompted me to wanting to have a test of this panel. Many of you have been emailing and actually wondering what we will do in slightly weird scenario if we're unable for some reason to actually go outside or access the panels, and what would be my kind of scenario to be able to harvest power by staying inside. Well, to be fair, guys, testing this panel on the inside, because it's so flexible and it's really thin, you can actually affix this to your patio door or window. And the point is, I actually managed to harvest 44 watts through the window in my own house. So if we're talking a scenario, guys, you were talking to and you're wondering whether it's possible to actually harvest the solar power and leave the panels inside, that is absolutely yes, you can, and you can still get a very good result. At the same time, again, whether you want to do this charges in your house through the window, or if you do have a van or any vehicle, you can actually mount this on the front of your windshield on the inside, and you still be able to take just as much power as you do from the inside, which I think is really brilliant. So that's that, guys. I think for specific reasons it is a very acceptable panel. I think, as I mentioned, that we will have a look at it again when we have a slightly really sunny day, whatever day that may be, and I will do a different videos. I will be comparing the Allpowers 100 watts panels to see which one is performs better basically on a really sunny day. But as it stands at the moment, guys, thank you very much for watching. Tune in for the next video, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.